Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today our topic is going to be on Kiwi bonds. So this Kiwi bond is like all must be thinking why it is like named like a bird thing. So we know like Kiwi is a bird, okay, which comes from New Zealand actually. So it's a native bird in New Zealand. So the New Zealanders are also often called as Kiwis actually. Basically, it is related to New Zealand. So, since this native bird kiwi is from New Zealand, the kiwi bond, you must be like, thinking how it is going to be related is all about. So, kiwi bonds are specifically, available for the New Zealanders. It is a government issued fixed income security, we can tell. Okay. So, the New Zealand government issues this one. So, to whom and all it issues is only the residents available in New Zealand. Okay. And even there is special consideration is there, though you are a New Zealander, okay, but if you are residing outside New Zealand, then you are not allowed to invest in this Kiwi bond. Okay. As a kind of endearment, as a kind of love and affection they have for this Kiwi bird, this bond has been named as Kiwi bond. Okay. And this is only available for the residents who are actually residing within New Zealand and not available for people living in outside New Zealand. Even the citizenship will be New Zealand, but since they don't live there, they cannot go and invest in this Kiwi bonds. These Kiwi bonds, right? The maturity date for these bonds varies from 6 months to 4 years. So 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, and 4 years. Sorry, guys. Okay. So these are the kind of maturity dates for the bonds available. So starting from a period of time varying from 6 months to 4 years, anyone can invest in this kind of Kiwi bonds. And what is the minimum level and maximum level they can invest is in this kind of bonds is it's going to be 1,000, okay, 1,000 New Zealand dollars will be the minimum amount. The maximum amount they can invest in this kind of bonds is going to be 5 lakh New Zealand dollars. Will be the maximum limit. So any New Zealander, okay, who is residing in New Zealand, they are eligible to invest in this Kiwi bonds, which is directly issued to the public by the government of New Zealand in the form of a fixed income security, which is going to hold a 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 4 year kind of maturity date period payouts. Okay. And the minimum amount they can invest is 1,000 New Zealand dollars. Maximum amount they can be able to invest is up to 5 lakh New Zealand dollars. Okay. And how the interest rate will be paid is it will be paid in quarterly basis. Interest rates will be paid in a quarterly basis along with the arrears. Okay, the year payout will happen like this. So this is considered as one of the very secured bond. Okay, since this kind of fixed income security is directly issued by the government, it is considered as the most secured one, and the return is also like always coming in a proper way. There are not going to be any delays, not chances of, any backward going to happen. So people, who are having more money, they would like to, take some low risk, and they would like to expect, kind of continuous return. Okay, they will be investing in this kind of bonds. But only thing, only disadvantage in this kind of Kiwi bonds is they provide low interest rates. Actually, the interest rates are as low as, like 0.25 percentage to 0.5 percentage. The interest rates provided by these bonds, okay, to the investors varies from 0.25 to 0.5. Say if it's going to be a 6 months or 1 year bond, the low interest rates, like it comes close to 0.25%. If it's going to be a 4 year bond, the interest rate will be like, provided up to like 0.5 percentage. So this will be like varying based upon the economical value and you know, other stock market value, whatever they follow there. So other factors which will directly affect the interest rates over there, it is going to be controlled and it is going to be managed directly by the government of New Zealand. Okay, and these Kiwi bonds, okay, they have one more interesting thing to tell. This can be directly purchased from the government by, filling up the appropriate application forms. At the same time, they are also being made available in the domestic banks as well as whatever the other financial institutions available within the New Zealand. So people, they don't want to specifically go and, wait in a queue just to reach out to the government officials to get these things done. If they want to invest in kind of Kiwi bonds, they can reach any of the financial institution, any of the domestic banks available there. So who are and all got the approval of the New Zealand government and they are running the institutions there, okay, they can directly, able to provide the public or the investors with this Kiwi bonds. So that is one more special thing in this Kiwi bonds. So we saw the disadvantage is going to be low interest rate, okay, but the advantage if you take, right, even during the 2020 crisis, New Zealand economy remained very stable. So the outside market doesn't, mostly affect the New Zealand economy. So the investors were able to enjoy the interest rate returns on a proper manner, on a continual manner, and the rates are also like, quite stable at that time, which was implying a positive growth, and only little disruptions were, foreseen in between. So, hope you all got some idea of, how this is like, helping the New Zealanders alone, especially to make a profitable income on a fixed manner. So, if you find this video interesting, please do share it to your friends. Also, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching, guys. For now, it's a VK signing off. Bye.